They go trying to hype it up again. All that hype for nothing. They're hyping this up for like a whole week. Oh, on the 14th it's gonna be this. The 14th is gonna be that. I'm gonna show you what the 14th was. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. You notice how some of them tried to act like it came from the east? That's how fake their fucking news is, right? Like, the only chance it has is from the west. Period. And what's the average temperature this time of year? 40 degrees? Really? And I'm gonna show you proof. There was literally nothing. No snowstorm. Not a drop. How many times do I have to do this? 14th, huh? Okay. Somebody said there was gonna be a snowstorm today. Just like they said the other time, there was gonna be 3 of them, and literally nothing happened. We didn't even get rain, just a little bit of wind. Give me a break. Try again, Chief. And fail again, Chief.